This makeup remover I'm about to show you took off my foundation and my freaking mascara with one cotton round. Capri here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a natural do-it-yourself makeup remover. Now, I know a lot of us spend tons of money on different products, different makeup removers, and you don't have to do all that. I have literally spent $40 for makeup remover. So I said to myself, I'm not doing it no more because, for one, the makeup remover you're buying from the store is probably harsh to your skin. It's not all natural. It's not organic. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this by yourself with 3 ingredients. First, you're going to need some witch hazel, some coconut oil, some cotton rounds, and some water. And last but not least, a jar. I picked this jar up from IKEA. I've had it for a while. So if you have a jar laying around, or you can get you a nice little jar, that will do. Let's jump straight into it. So first, I have me a bowl and obviously a spoon. I'm going to start out by taking my measuring cup and measuring 2 cups of water into my bowl. Next, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I know a lot of you guys are thinking, why coconut oil? Coconut oil is super oily. But of course, after using this, you need to wash your face. After using the makeup remover or any makeup remover, you want to make sure you wash your face with some type of facial wash after removing your makeup. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking my witch hazel and also doing 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. And now we're just going to mix this up. And I'm going to stick my cotton rounds into my jar. Okay guys, I have my makeup pads in the jar. As you can see, I did not fill it all the way up. I just need to fill it enough to get all the pads wet in there. I do have some left over as well. So if you do have some left over, do another jar and make you some more. You want to make sure that the jar that you're using is tight. That way it locks in the moisture and your cotton rounds do not get dry. So guys, I did apply a little bit of makeup to my face. I put some foundation on this side and I put some mascara on, and I wanted to show you guys how well this works. So I have my cotton round and I'm just gonna go ahead and start removing my foundation. As you can see, I only wiped 3 times, guys. Look at that. Flip it over and use the other side. I'm going to now do my mascara. Look at that, guys. That is my mascara. That's just one pad. One pad. look at that, a little bit of a glow that it's giving me. Look at that. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. And I'm gonna wipe with my hand. And as you can see, no makeup, no foundation came on my hand whatsoever. Look at that. Do y'all see any foundation? I don't see any foundation. I have a little bit of foundation on my sponge. I'm going to put that on my hand. I'm going to take one of my makeup wipes. One wipe. Two wipes. Now I'm gonna flip that over. That's it, guys. Look at that. No more. No makeup on my finger. No makeup on my fingers. So guys, thank me later. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys. Let me know in the comments how you think this video was. Leave me down some black hearts down in the comments, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you are subscribed. Try this out, guys. Stop spending so much money on makeup remover. Make your own. Do it at home. Save so much money. I know I'm saving money. Join me. Save money. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, like it, share it, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.